To inspect and replace the spark plug on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, tilt the cargo box up to access the spark plug. Then, carefully remove the spark plug cap. Blow any dirt or debris out of the spark plug well with compressed air to prevent anything from falling into the cylinder. Now, carefully loosen the spark plug using the spark plug wrench provided in the toolkit. And remove from the vehicle by rotating it counterclockwise. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup, and verify there are no cracks around the insulation. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Now, inspect the spark plug is the correct color. The normal insulator tip is gray, tan, or light brown, with few combustion deposits with unburnt and uneroded electrodes. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating caused by an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. If it is black, this usually means excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect plug is used. Next, carefully install the spark plug into the engine. Do not use anti-seize. Torque to specification. Then, reinstall the spark plug boot and tilt the cargo box down. Ensure it is secure. Finally, start the engine in a well-ventilated area to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.